Hi guys, it's me, Alex, your ergonomics specialist. And today I am in Austin, Texas, driving Volvo. I love it. It used to be my favorite car, actually still is. And this particular one is S60 T6 all-wheel drive with the performance engine that is Polestar, cranking, few horses, but it's not about the car, it's about the ergonomics of the car. So the seat is the bucket seat, very comfortable, relatively speaking. It has plenty of adjustments. So what I do like in this particular car, I can independently adjust rear and back of the seat itself, so it's long enough to accommodate my stature. And I'm not a tall guy, I'm 5'7", but still is relatively long. It does has a lateral support, which is the downside is like universal one size fits all. As many cars, I don't have an adjustment to change that part, which is said. Volvo keep that tradition. Central console right here, slightly turned towards the driver, so which make it very easy to access, relatively comfortable, or actually a lot of comfort. Steering column, it's adjustable, four-way adjustment, so basically up and down, further away and closer to me. That allow me to have a good resting position. So the headrests, at first I didn't like them, but I found the groove and they are supportive whiplash protection. So, and it's close enough and relatively shape, and what I do like, it's narrow enough so it's keep the view of the open, so it's not blocking any view or turn on my head. The good part, that seat has accommodation, so it does accommodate the curvature of your spine. I'm enjoying my ride, hope you do the same. See you in the next video.